write your name.
New year, all year, no stopping the fire. Still fighting through the shit that made house and retire. Most of y'all only tough when you watching the wire, but start to perspire when your fingers on the table and I got the pliers. Should take them away. That's what these uncreative labels and haters will say. Cause I be ripping up the flows like a paper mache, giving out the free mix for people not able to pay. Hey yo, but touche, I'm never falling off like a Lupe. Star player, I ain't got time for Bobby Boucher's. I am here to stay, the leader of the new age. Investors with toothpaste, no money in my suitcase. I don't care what you say, if you don't like what I say, the sue me. I'm still dropping every other Tuesday. Flyer than the Blue Jay, sharper than Blu-ray, cooler than Cool J, I'm sweeter than some Kool-Aid. I got a hit list, I'll write your name. With this pen, rewrite the game. Me and y'all just not the same. I guess I should've won. I'm gonna be forever. I'm never going down in flames. I'm hardly ever sober, but the high was great of fame. You can ask anyone who knows me, they'll tell you I'm insane. Cause I got a hit list, baby, and I'll write your name. I made kids so they calling me a pop figure, but truth be told I'm a schmurder, I'm a hot nigga. I tried to tell them I'm from right up off the block with ya, and I'm just trying to stay away from all the cop triggers. So sayonara, you diabolical imitations from my inner sanctum. I'm engineering this innovation, the only person to take that emotion from in the basement and indicate that I'm ready for radio syndication. I see y'all waiting, and thanks again for your patience. Fuck these intricate statements, I'm trying to get back to basics. Counting presidents' faces was never ever the basis, but I must have stumbled into a bakery cause I'm faking now. I got a hit list, I'll write your name. With this pen, rewrite the game. Me and y'all just not the same. I should've warned you, man. I got a hit list, I'll write your name. With this pen, rewrite the game. Me and y'all just not the same. Now I want you, so
Don't say I didn't, warn you.
I'm gonna be forever. I'm never going down in flames. I'm hardly ever sober, but the high was great of fame. You can ask anyone who knows me, they'll tell you I'm insane. Cause I got a hit list, baby, and I'll write your name.
They never believed in me, but I never believed them. And I ain't here for the cash though, I'm just here for the freedom. Ride through in a hatchback, juked out in that all black. Move 5'2" on a snapback, cause I move that, son, I own that. That's empire, that's building up. Got a lot, but can't get enough. Hot dog and I'm catching up, y'all better start on resting up. We the ones who we do to us, who a liability. Bitches kill me, you were blind to it, now you feel me. That's braille, that's real. Doing bigger numbers than your major deal. You still thinking you a major deal? Took a dream, then I took it overseas. And y'all even playing in the field? From the field 7, homie. Y'all ain't even get it, homie. They ain't done this like this where I'm from. Went home, I seen rappers coming up. Look at what we did, doing what we done. I went home, everybody showing love. It's a whole new world showing up. What's a whole different vibe going up? Went home just to open up a show. Little look at me, I was on a roll. Crew with me, supposed to get him in for free. Bouncing with the tickets, didn't know me. Snapped on him like old decks on 5-0 grinds. The second that I realized how much that the ego blinds. Apologize for that, my bad, I must lost my cap. Everybody got a dark side, sometimes the empire gotta strike back. But I feel like I'm the new hope. Episode 2, y'all be the clones. My future setting that carbonite like I'm Han Solo. Used to trip on my X thing, now I'm mob through like an X-Wing. I'm so galactic, came here to swallow up the planet. Modern Marvel, hero villain. These days I can't tell the difference. These days I'm on something different, I'm so involved in my current mission. They say, tell us what we don't know. Got flows kicking like a dojo. It was all a hunchback thing, Quasimodo. Hit me up for features, but I'm down with the quote though. This my flex track, Luther if I'm Lex track. This the rise of abstract, me getting the last laugh. Past that, past rap, I don't need my past back. You trying to figure out your dreams, I'm on fast track. I remember wanting everyone to know my name. I did. I got love for everyone who came before the fame. I do. I promise to keep it going and it'll never change. I will. 18 worldwide, truly here to stay. I said I remember wanting everyone to know my name. I did. I got love for everyone who came before the fame. I do. I promise to keep it going and it'll never change. I will. 18 worldwide, truly here to stay.
Thumbnail. Yêu mọi người đi.
In the back, fuck up the party, but back.